everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix no signal issue on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, insert SIM card, remove SIM tray and clean. After cleaning, again insert, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset mobile network settings. Click on reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on this option, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on software update, click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, you will see, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.